So back in the car and back with another vlog, everybody. How the hell are you? Hopefully good. I just love talking to myself, especially when I'm on my way to pick up Gabe. He has no idea what we're shooting. Actually, I lied. He has an idea, but it's the idea that has him pretty excited. So, long story short, before I start ranting, going down to Miami. No, Doral. Same place. It's all Miami. Anything after Miramar, Pembroke Pines down here in South Florida, it's Miami. Or Hialeah, it's Miami. Anyway, driving down to Doral area, meeting up with a longtime family friend. And when I mean family, I meant a good friend of mine and his entire family. Good friend of mine, Raul. You guys might know him, Lambo Raul on social media, Bugatti SVJ. You guys might know him on my shorts. If you go to my most viewed video, that's him driving his SVJ. Pretty well known guy down here. Hopefully in the community that he's in, he's very well known. Anyway, his dad, Dr. Raul G, and his sister, Sophia. Sorry for ranting, I'm trying to remember all the names while driving. We're going to meet up with Sophia today. I'll link her thing right here. Anyway, go down to Doral, going to meet up with her. She has a 992 Carrera S with a full Techart Kit on it and full 3-piece VelosDesign wheels. This shoot is for Omar and Carlos from Velos Wheels. This is for them. Been wanting to meet with Sophia for the longest time. She has a great social media following. She's very creative. She really has made a good community within herself and what she does. She's a day trader, full-time, I think, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know yet. I'm gonna see what she's up to literally in the coming minutes. So we're gonna meet up at her family's garage, get a tour of the place, gonna take out the Carrera. She wrapped it in an awesome pink color. I'm actually gonna take photos with her and the car at the same time, so that's pretty good. Haven't done a model shoot in a very long time, so we're gonna shoot the car, gonna shoot the car with her, and then we're going to do some rolling photo and video. And the entire time I'm gonna have Gabe with me, just totally having a time of his life with me. So we're gonna go pick him up. Enjoy. This is my favorite time when I get to say hi to Gabe. Hi! I was telling everybody this is my favorite time of the day is when I get to say hi to you. Yo, you're gonna break the door, bro. Welcome back, everybody, to... What's up? I tell everybody how excited, even though I just said that, but I'm just gonna repeat myself again. I love telling everybody how excited I get when I see you. And a lot of people are gonna take that wrong, but when you got your homie with you, yeah, I'm not gonna finish that. Brand new tripod time. Want to help me out here? Brand new.
Damn, quit your nails.
My nails are short. What are you talking about? Anyway, Peak Design. Ever heard of them before?
Never.
Never heard of Peak Design before. Peak Design, brand new carbon fiber tripod. Best one ever. Ever.
Carbon fiber?
Ever. All right. I'm going to get this set up. This just came fresh out of the mail. This is a 4-element stand, tripod leg, very long, carbon fiber. Hopefully you guys can see that. Peak Design, wasn't cheap. I think it was $600 for this thing, but I'm giving it a try. I didn't get it for free. I'm not sponsored by them. Definitely best tripod you can get right now. So the cool part about this tripod is, hold that, like this. So the cool part about this tripod, it has a little like secret compartment. You twist this, comes out, this turns into like a phone stand. So you attach it to the top so you can put your phone on it as a tripod. It's like this, something like that. I don't know, I didn't read the brochure, I'm just winging it because it doesn't really sound that complicated. All right, there. And then to adjust it, comes with this little key thing, and that allows you to tighten and loosen the mount or the plate on the camera. All right, so I'm trying to keep this level. Sophia is right over there. We're gonna introduce her shortly. We're gonna introduce her in a little bit, I'm gonna focus on the car really quick. I know you guys probably want to see the cool stuff that are on this car. To begin, this is fully wrapped, right? Yeah. All right, so it's fully wrapped. 992 Carrera 4S. Is it a 4S? Yes, it's 992 Carrera 4S. I was correct. This does have the full 992 Techart Kit, where you guys are probably used to the Turbo S Techart, which is completely different. This has the dual element wing, which is pretty cool. Full clear plates right here, and the divided piece right here. Clearly, this goes here, obviously, and the intercooler opening right here is from Techart as well. Keep going down, she obviously has Akrapovic, it's all the same stuff. I mean, I hear so many people say Akrapovic. Now, the main reason why we're here is obviously Velos Wheels. This is, I don't want to say it's the same style name, I'm not for sure, but it's in the same line as the ones that are on my GT4. So it's like within that same three-piece line. So again, Velos Wheels, they do it best. Techart Kit continues down. She did wrap this, like I said previously, and then come in here. This is, I've never seen this steering wheel before. It's from where? Huh? Okay, so I'm just gonna roll with it. Turismo steering wheel. It feels good. It really does. I've never been big on these custom fitted steering wheels that aren't from factory. It's not my thing, but I do respect those that like it. Excuse me. I do respect those that like it. Obviously, because you know you have good finger positioning, thumb right here, or if you want to do it professionally, like right here, good indentation right here. But anyway. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that little roll of that footage. So the reason why I didn't fully introduce Sophia yet is because this is the first time that Sophia and I have met. I didn't just want to blind introduce her, not knowing if she was comfortable in front of the camera or anything, but we ran through some pre, rehearsals, and she's ready to make her video debut. She's all comfortable and everything, so everybody say hi to Miss Sophia. I don't want to butcher it, Gonzalez. This is,
hey.
So this is your 911,
yes.
Your 911 4S. Mm-hmm. Now you have a GT4 RS.
Yes.
So I'm going to pin everything in the video. I'm going to pin everything. You know what? I'm just going to do a montage. So this is her 911. This is her GT4. And you know what? GT3 RS right here. You love Porsche.
I do.
I love Porsche too.
Okay, good.
So how long have you had the 911?
Oh, I've had the 911 for almost 5 years now.
5 years?
Yeah.
I thought you had this car for like a year.
No.
5 years, really?
Yeah.
I didn't even look at the odometer. How many miles are on it?
Not that much, to be honest. I think maybe almost 20,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now out of every Porsche you've ever driven, what is your favorite?
Why do you do that to me?
What's your favorite?
Why do you do that?
Right here. Tell everybody what your favorite
Okay,
is.
so I got to drive only once a 2019 Voodoo Blue GT2 RS, and nothing compares to that car, in my opinion. I've driven the GT3 RS, I've driven my 4RS, the 4S, and once I drove that GT2 RS, feeling those turbos kicking in, man, oh my god, I was in love.
Now, if you could have a dream Porsche to drive, what would it be?
Okay, I already know my answer.
I kind of already know it too.
What
is it a manual?
Yes.
Okay, was it made in 2005?
No.
Okay, let me hear it.
Okay, so my dream car, maybe I fucked up.
Let's say,
It's an RWB.
okay,
Yeah.
I was gonna say Carrera GT, okay.
Okay, that's a great answer, but my dream car has always been a 964 with an RWB body kit.
What color?
I don't know. That's my whole thing.
Okay.
Like any color.
Big wing or duckbill?
Big wing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just a huge fan of like cutting up Porsches and like, I mean, you can tell, like making them crazy.
Dying breed. Dying breed. Long live Sophia. So it's gonna get a little loud here. Some planes leaving. So for the longest time, as I told you guys prior, you're doing a great job on it. I kind of told everybody, you know, we had to like pre-rehearse everything. You're doing phenomenal. You are. So it's gonna get pretty loud. There's a plane right here, but getting back into, you know, this is her car. She's very creative. She's very good modeling with the cars. She's very good creatively in the platform that she's created for herself. So I took some inspiration from a good photographer of mine. I'm gonna link him right here until he sees this. Got some inspiration from him with some modeling shoots with some Porsches. She's dressed very elegant today. She's with a very elegant car, and we have a very beautiful sunset. So I'm gonna snap over the model photos of her and I that we took, and it's gonna be right now, so enjoy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that montage of the shots. Sophia did an incredible job. Gabe with the camera work, I gotta give you credit, buddy.
Little camera work.
Little camera work. He killed it with the camera work, even though it was just small little B-roll BTS footage. So we're gonna go do photo, rolling photo and video now. This is the part where you get to see just rolling montages. So enjoy. After this off-ramp stuff, because it might be less traffic. So my ears are absolutely ringing. Those are probably like the loudest rollers I've done in a while. Had the exhaust revving next to me, had them speaking here, the wind blowing. But good thing Gabe was being quiet. He's going through some footage right now. Oh, you want to show him the plane video?
Yeah.
So while we were doing rollers, Gabe just so happened to be so kind and got a phenomenal behind the scenes video of something that happened that I haven't reviewed on the photos yet, which I hope came out good. I pray, manifesting that they come out good. But Gabe got something, again, like the R34 video, he once again snagged something insane on the video camera. So, show him. Unreal. That was literally perfect, dude. So, anyway, all done. Photos done, videos done, rollers done, rolling videos done. Everything's done. Now we're gonna head back. Sophia wants all you guys to see the awesome car collection that her and her family have. So we're on our way there now. We're gonna show you guys a quick little walk around, and hopefully Gabe and I can pick out some things that we know, some things that we don't know. And yeah, so we'll be right over there right about now. All right. I've already did a little introduction. This is Raul. I think everybody kind of already has an idea. All right,
A little bit.
show me around.
Oh man, it's a little bit dark in here, but yeah. So this is kind of like our family suite. Got a lot of personal stuff in here. Got a lot of artwork in here. Obviously, the cars. We have some old wheels that hang up on the wall, but we're gonna go through like a complete remodeling pretty soon.
So I want to say that I know the lighting is totally different than when we were here earlier,
Yeah.
but Raul and I actually shot the 488. Are you gonna do the lights? Perfect. So Raul and I actually shot the 488 about a year ago. Amazing photos. We did a great job with it. And then I know I have to still do the SVJ. And I think this is the next one.
The A12?
Yeah, the 812. But your birthday is coming up, so we're gonna have to move it because your birthday is literally important. You never want to miss that. Dude, this is, what kit is this?
That's Mansory.
So this is another Mansory kit.
Yeah, but that's from Mansory. Like this is a Mansory built car, so there's only 16 in the world.
Dude, this is unreal. I've never seen one before.
Yeah, the only thing that's different is the wheels, which these are, what is it, Velos?
These are Velos wheels?
Yeah, I have the same exact ones on my SVJ.
All right, now onward.
Yeah.
What else we got over here?
Of course, your little hangout area, and then some more cars over here.
Dude, these chairs are insane.
Yeah, each one of these chairs is actually from a car that we've had to the exact spec. So this was the YSEC GT2.
The
RS,
Voodoo Blue one.
The Voodoo Blue.
The Voodoo Blue one.
Yeah, this was a Urus matte black. That
Dude,
my
this
brother-
is insane. This is the white SVJ to match with.
SVJ, and that's when I had the previous SVJ.
This is when you had the
Stevens SVJ, I think.
It was the black with the blue.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
Dude, this is.
Yeah, had some wings hanging out on the wall.
Where? Oh, dude, I didn't
Yeah,
even.
there's
What?
wheels and car parts everywhere, bro. We have the exhaust factory
Dude,
up there. I mean, bro, we
This
have,
is so unreal, man.
I have like 10 different exhausts up there too.
Dude, you even have. Oh, and there she is.
Yeah.
GT3 RS. There she is. GTR. Who's GT? I've never seen that. That was.
I gave it to my sister.
But it was never that color, though.
No, she wrapped it.
Dude, I do remember that.
Yeah, I literally gave her the entire car, stage 2, bolt-ons, wheels, the wing, the canards, and then yeah, she got a fully built.
So before we wrap this up, because this is gonna be, this is already, we were hanging out for the last 2-3 hours together. We're gonna wrap it up. Now I'm gonna ask you one question, and you're gonna be literally the black screen after this.
Okay.
Out of every car, I've known you for 8 years now. Out of every car you've had, what is your favorite car?
Damn, it's hard. Honestly, I'm in between the.
Because what do you have now?
I'm in between. Right now, I have the Senna, the SVJ, Cullinan, and the Urus.
Nice.
The Urus Perf. My favorite car. I mean, it's hard. I'm in between 3. I'm in between the Chiron, the Senna, and the SVJ. But I think the SVJ takes it.
Now one last question, then we'll wrap this up.
Yes.
If you could have any car left, because you pretty much already have the top cars you can get,
Yeah.
what is the one car that you were dreaming about owning? Does it start with a K?
No. Okay. It's actually the new Chiron that's in production.
That is, it's called the 12. No, that's Ferrari.
It's the V16 model.
The new one that they just announced. It's literally on the tip of my tongue. It's
I forgot the
it's
name.
we'll cut back to that. But until next time, everybody, enjoy this wonderful long video. Raul says goodbye.